What's up, everybody? Chance with Ames here, talking a bit about cutting glass, different types of annealed glass, stock glass items that most glass companies keep in their shop. Unless they're a big commercial glass company, lots of different glass cutters. They're all oil fed because glass, you have to cool it. So you can use antifreeze. What do we use? Motor oil. 3-in-1, different types of oil, but they actually have glass oil. If you want to spend all that extra money, you can. It's kind of pointless in our eyes, but we're just some good old blue collar boys. So one today I'm going to use is just a TC17 head. It's metal. I like it's more durable than the plastic ones. This would normally be filled with oil, but I don't like the plastic ones. They drop one time, they break, so I'm not a huge fan. But you have all kinds of other ones, and then back in the day they had the old school Fletchers. It didn't even feed any oil, so it was a really dry cut. So we'll get those out of here. We're gonna go with our regular Toyo head cutter here. This is single pane glass. We call this SSB. It's probably a little more than a 1/16 of an inch, and it's cuts really easy. The guys stole my small square for a little job today they were doing, so we're gonna go with this monster square here. But all it is you're gonna press the blade down. So here I'm just rolling the wheel. It's just a little diamond wheel that rolls. It rolls real nice and smooth. You can make sure there's no dust on there or anything. And you just wanna cut real nice. So right there, I'm not even pushing the head, so it's not scoring the glass whatsoever. It can kind of feed the oil right there. And then you just press really lightly. Glass should break real easy. Pop it from the bottom, the opposite side, to break the score that you just made. So this is single strength glass. This is in most of your homes from the 80s to the 90s until they started doing insulated glass. But even insulated glass would be this, a spacer bar, and another piece on the back side. And it would just be a clear IG. We'll go over those another time. So we got our single pane glass. Now we're on to double pane. This is closer to 1/8 of an inch. It's just, we call it DSB, double strength bonded glass. So cuts all the same, lightly press down, let the oil feed through, slide across. No reason to press too hard, score it too hard. You want to hold it at a good angle, pop it from the opposite side. So it's going to be a little bit stronger, a little bit more durable. We'll use it for cabinet glass, some of the bigger oversized single panes of glass, things like that. This is plate annealed glass. It already has a seamed edge on one side. What that means, we just call a seamed edge is, see, this is really sharp. It's right after a cut has been made, and it'll slice your hands up really good. You can see I got some nice slices on mine just from not using my protective PPE equipment, but I like the texture. I like to be able to feel what I'm doing, so most of the time, unless it's OSHA required, I prefer not to work with gloves. But it cuts a lot the same. It's just gonna be a little bit harder to pop. So we're gonna go the same. We're gonna score the glass. That's just a light wheel, making sure your wheel's rolling good. So we're gonna push down a little bit, let the oil feed, and score, not too hard. So I could pop it like normal, but just to show you guys for reference, these are called running pliers. It has a little line right here, and then the bottom side presses up to break it, and you just push on there, and it runs the glass for you. So you got your single strength 1/16 glass, you going up to a double strength, about 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch plate. This will be 3/8 inch glass. You got 1/2 inch glass all the way up to 3/4. These are all you got from your regular glass to your low irons, but you can really, right here, we're just going about thicknesses. These are just the samples we had lying around the shop. So the only reason for this is when you're going this thick is whenever you're going really tall or really long, just for durability, overall engineering strength and everything. So handrails, showers, most of the time 3/8 unless it's framed. You can go down to 5/16, 3/16. The heavy glass, nice ones are gonna be 1/2 inch. But if you're getting up into the 10 foot, 11, 12 foot tall, any kind of doors or single panels that are just single strength and not an insulated piece of glass, you're gonna wanna at least go with 1/2 inch, but more than likely 3/4 inch, and it won't have the bow in the middle of the wall. So at that time, we'd recommend going with 3/4 inch, which is really heavy. And if you can't get some good machinery in there, it's sheer manpower to install it. And you can ask my guys, it's just a pain in the neck and really dangerous. But